This lesson is about creating a presentation poster using Microsoft PowerPoint, setting up the layout. Select the blank presentation template. Because we will only have one slide, we don't need to see the presentation outline in this column. The first thing we need to do is change the size of the slide to the printed poster size. Select the Design tab. Select the Slide Size drop-down menu. Select the Custom Slide Size menu item. Select the Slides Sized For drop-down menu. Select the Custom menu item. You will be able to change the size of the slide to fit the printed poster size. For this lesson, we will be using one of the standard poster sizes, 48 inches by 36 inches. Select the Width text box and type 48. Select the Height text box and type 36. Click the OK button. Since we have a blank slide, the selecting Maximize or Ensure Fit won't have much of an effect on our poster. If we were reducing the size of our poster, we would want to select Ensure Fit. Click the Ensure Fit button. We can use some of the built-in features of PowerPoint to create our layouts. They will also make sure everything we add is spaced consistently. Select the View tab. Select the Ruler checkbox. Select the Gridlines checkbox. Select the Guides checkbox. As we checked the boxes, a ruler was added along the top and side of the slide. 1-inch gridlines were added vertically and horizontally, and guides were added at the 0 mark on both rulers. The blank slide will come with placeholders for a title and subtitle. We can keep the title text box, but we want to remove the subtitle text box. Most subtitle text boxes have a font effect, shadow, lighter color, italicized, or etc. that will cause problems for our poster text. Select the subtitle text box. When you see the small squares and the outline is a solid line, press the delete key on your keyboard. Select the title text box and move it to the upper portion of the slide. Select the square on the right side of the title text box and expand the box to the right side of the slide. Select the square in the center and reduce the size of the title text box. Just by turning on the guides, we have created a 2-column layout. If this fits your poster content, you could stop here and move on to the next video, adding content to your poster. If you need a 3-column or alternative layout, continue to watch this video. To make an even 3-column layout, we need to divide 48 inches, or poster's width, by 3. Even columns poster, 48 divided by 3 equals 16 inches. If we were making a 3-column layout with a wider center column, we would need to figure out how wide we want the center column, and then divide the rest of the amount by 2 to create even outside columns. Wider center column poster, 48 minus 24, the center, equals 24. 24 divided by 2 equals 12 inches, the outside. Because the ruler has 0 at the center, you will need to have a guide at the 8-inch mark on both sides to create a 16-inch center column. Select the guide and drag it to the left until you reach 8 inches. In order to make this line more visible, we are going to change the color. Right-click the guide to see the menu options. Select the Color menu item. Select the dark orange color. Right-click the guide to have the option to create a second one. Select the Add Vertical Guide menu item. Once the second one has been created, drag it to the right. In order to make this line more visible, we are going to change the color. Right-click the guide to see the menu options. Select the dark orange color. Even though the horizontal guide is at the center of the poster's height, that won't help us place our content evenly on the poster. Select the guide and drag it up until you reach around 11 inches. Right-click the guide to have the option to create a second one. Select the Add Horizontal Guide menu item. Select the guide and drag it down until you reach around -3 inches. If you are making an alternative layout, create more guides and place them where you need them on the poster. This is the end of the Creating a Poster using Microsoft PowerPoint video. Please watch the Using Colors and Fonts on your poster video next.